Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Warzone Mobile in third person. This unique perspective offers a fresh way to experience the battlefield, giving you a wider view of your surroundings. We'll cover the simple steps to access this mode and how it can enhance your gameplay. Get ready to see the action from a whole new angle and gain a tactical advantage over your opponents. It's a fantastic way to mix up your strategy and enjoy the game. To jump into third-person action, first, head to the main menu of Warzone Mobile. From there, you'll want to select the play option. Now, keep an eye out for game modes that are clearly marked as third-person. These are the specific playlists designed for this camera perspective. Simply select one of these modes, and you'll be ready to deploy with an over-the-shoulder view, offering a distinct combat experience. Playing in third person brings several tactical advantages. You can peek around corners and overcover more effectively, gathering crucial information without risking exposure. This wider field of view significantly boosts your situational awareness, helping you spot enemies more easily. While aiming down sights will briefly shift you to a first-person view for precision, the overall experience offers a fresh strategic layer. It's a great way to master new movement and positioning techniques. To truly master third-person gameplay, focus on utilizing cover to its fullest potential. The ability to see over and around objects without exposing your character is a huge benefit. Also, take some time to fine-tune your sensitivity settings. A slight adjustment can make a big difference in your aiming and movement. Experiment with various weapon loadouts to discover what feels most effective from this perspective. Finally, clear communication with your teammates is always key, especially when coordinating pushes and flanks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.